Shenseea invited as a guest at Kanye West Donda listening party in Soldier Field, Chicago.
Yes, see my love has come along, doom, doom. And my lonely days are over, and life is like a song. Do, 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 do.
Number one, trending topic. Attention to detail, everything microscopic. New post truck, man a pushing at the traffic.
Welcome back to the Dancehall IG channel. Hope everyone is doing well out there today. Now, people, we are going to talk a little bit about Mr. West's album. We really are going to talk about Shenseea, but let's talk about the album a little bit. If you don't know what go on this album, when I make the mother, it's titled Donda. That was the name of his mom, right? She passed in 2007. Rest in peace to her. And, you know, he's been doing these listening party. So this is the third one, and this is in his home state of Chicago, right? And he did something special. Me look it up on Google, and plus me I get some other news here and there. So this is one of the things them I'm going with, right? So listen to this.
According to Block Club Chicago, Kanye West builds replica of childhood home inside Soldier Field for Donda listening party.
So when me show the pics and videos of him and Shenseea sitting on the step of the house, you know, say what it is right now, it makes sense. In addition to that, he also made a tribute to Kim Kardashian West. He did something with her wedding dress, and I know him a designer, so I don't know where that go. Also, there was the baby there and Marilyn Manson. I don't know if everybody know Marilyn Manson who he is, but he's a rock star and he's been accused of some things in the news lately. We're not gonna get into that. Like we say, Shenseea we are talking about. So people may have some clip of Shenseea actually on her way, and she did her makeup in the car and all, and she reached there, even though them said the event start late, so all that rush coming like for nothing. But take a look at these.
Look at this shit. Chicago traffic crazy. The girl got to get ready in a damn car. This shit don't stop.
No excuses, nigga.
No excuses, bro.
What you mean?
And y'all talk about y'all want it.
I'll be back in 2 seconds. Thanks.
Shit, gang. Shit.
Have a good night, guys. Bless, bless, bless.
Yeah, people, so that was some quick clips. No, there's not a whole heap of clip about this thing, you know what I mean? It's like very exclusive, so you can, you know, copyright, heavily copyrighted. But people might have an actual clip with Shenseea vocals and somebody video it. It's an aerial video. I mean, I'm telling the people, well soulful. And that's her, Marilyn Manson, and Mr. West up on the step right now at this peak, right? But also she are wearing brands, so we're going to talk about that later. But take a listen to this. Here goes.
You get away with. Oh, together just again. Just the only thing you get away with. Trust again. I can only trust in her. Whoa. For true. Oh, yeah. Just the only thing you get away with. Get away.
Amazing. So there's a high possibility that our girl Shenseea is on the album. But people, there's a lot to talk about this album. You know, I listen to on YouTube and named Patrick CC, and him there make a very valid point about the album not really dropping. Like Mr. West just gonna keep on do these in party. Also, we are listening to DJ Academics, and them talk about him actually wait for Drake drop for him album so he can compete with Drake. You know, there's one heap of talk about it. But people, this is what Shenseea posts, right? She captioned the post as a matter of fact. And she said, "Pure souls, honored to be a part. Thank you. At Kanye West, hashtag Donda style by ye." Right? So she has said the style where she wear, the clothing, is designed by him. And we are going to take a look into that, right? So we have some pics and we are going to take a look at the style. Now, the last listening party, I think the one in Atlanta, if not the last, correct me, he saw me as him release one jacket and him sell was a $7 million worth of jacket that night. You see me, I say crazy, right? So that's similar to something where Shenseea wear right now. Now, I also want to take a look at the shoes because that shoes is very interesting. It's like one of them beach wear there where you have the two of them. You see me, I say, we don't know exactly what it called, but when I look upon it, one thing, you see me, I say, very slick and simple, but you know what I mean, it probably costs a lot. You see me, I say, people. So I don't know how that go, right? So I have some other things for sure now with Shenseea. But I want to take a quick minute to talk about the fact that Shenseea rub shoulders with some of the biggest names in the world right now. You see me, with Justice, she performed with 50 Cent and Trey Songz, and like we said, potentially she could be on this Donda album. And we know say there's a rumor that she have sung with Drake and countless other people when we see her with. You know what I mean? And we know say her manager is the Weekend manager, French Montana. We have pics with her and French Montana. Like, you know what I mean? Just right now, Megan Thee Stallion, everybody. You see me? I say, so it look like Shenseea got a foot in the door, if not both foot. You see me? Now we just wait for her album drop and for see how it go on. You see me? So people more know what I think, definitely. But more have a show on something where somebody comment on the Shenseea post and she responds to it as well as Ramesh said something too. So we are going to get right into that. So this person comment and say, my dream since a kid is to become a successful music artist and I pray I'll achieve it one day. Say amen. And Shenseea replied to that and say, I had the same dream, here I am, keep believing and praying. I promise you it will happen, right? So definitely that's a word of encouragement from somebody who definitely made it. So all of the people out there will want to be some kind of musician or anything else, so may I say, when they just take that word of advice from Shenseea. Under that now we see Ramesh comment and him say, a star rose when God set it so. So definitely a lot of things happen for Shenseea. But people, that's the end of the video. So if it's your first time on this channel, you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe. If you just subscribe, welcome to the Dancehall IG family. To all my long-time subscribers, thank you for being here. Keep on liking, sharing, and commenting. Everybody, big up on yourself. Have a wonderful day or night or whatever time it is, wherever you are. Stay safe out there. Drop a comment. Tell me what you think about this topic and this video. Overall, stay safe. I'm out.
We got that one in my AP. Dancehall IG. Atina. Excuse me. Dancehall IG. Rich. Punk. Should know. 10 to blacks. Yadi.